Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. If you are looking for a new middleweight naked bike that offers a lot of performance, features, and value for money, you might want to check out the new 2023 Honda CB750 Hornet. This bike is Honda's latest entry in the competitive segment of sporty street fighters, and it promises to deliver a thrilling ride with its new parallel twin engine, lightweight chassis, and generous equipment. The CB750 Hornet is powered by a 755 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled SOHC engine that produces 90.5 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 55.3 lb-ft of torque at 7,250 RPM. The engine uses a unicam cylinder head design that reduces weight and complexity, as well as a 270-degree crankshaft that gives it a distinctive V-twin-like character. The engine also features ride-by-wire throttle control for riding modes, traction control, and wheelie control. The engine is housed in a steel trellis frame that weighs only 15 kilograms and has sporty geometry for agile handling. The suspension consists of an inverted Showa separate function big piston fork with adjustable preload and rebound damping, and a Showa monoshock with adjustable preload. The brakes are dual radial-mounted four-piston Nissin calipers with 310mm discs up front and a single-piston caliper with 240mm disc at the rear. The bike also comes with ABS as standard. The CB750 Hornet has a sleek and aggressive design that draws inspiration from previous Hornets as well as from its namesake insect. The fuel tank resembles a Hornet's wing, while the headlight and tail light have sharp angles that give it an edgy look. The bike also has a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth or USB-C port. The CB750 Hornet is available in three colors: matte gunpowder black metallic, pearl glare white, and candy chromosphere red. The bike has a low seat height of 795mm and a light curved weight of 190 kilograms. It also has a generous fuel capacity of 16 liters that gives it an estimated range of over 300 kilometers. The price point of the CB750 Hornet is a significant factor that sets it apart from its competitors. At £6,999 in the UK or $7,800 in US dollars, it offers a lot of value for its performance and features, especially when compared to other middleweight naked bikes such as the Yamaha MT-07, Triumph Trident 660, or Kawasaki Z650, which are priced similarly or higher. The MT-07, for example, has a starting price of £6,999, which is the same as the CB750 Hornet, but it has a smaller engine, lower power output, and less sophisticated electronics. The Trident 660, on the other hand, starts at £7,195, which is slightly higher than the CB750 Hornet, but it has a smaller fuel tank, less powerful brakes, and less advanced suspension. The Z650, which is priced at £6,649, has a similar engine size and power output as the CB750 Hornet, but it lacks features such as ride-by-wire throttle and 4 riding modes. The CB750 Hornet is an exciting new addition to Honda's lineup that offers a lot of bang for your buck. It has a powerful and refined engine that can suit different riding styles and conditions, a lightweight and nimble chassis that can handle twisty roads or urban traffic with ease, and a modern and stylish design that stands out from the crowd. If you are looking for a fun-to-ride naked bike that won't break your bank account, you might want to give this Hornet a try. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.